assigned members of the City Board of Canvassers do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 370 precincts for the candidates therein for mayor in the elections held on May 13, 2019. Attached here to informing part hereof is statement of votes obtained by each candidate for the office of mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Fresnedi Jaime obtained 164,144 votes for the office of mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally casted for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected mayor.